So you need to apply creative solutions. They're determined together with other stakeholders.
When pursuing an adaptive reuse project, there are many things to consider, and one of the things you need to consider early on is what are the city requirements for a project such as this? Are you just simply reusing the building and modifying it on the interior? Are you creating an addition to the structure? Depending on the building and the jurisdiction, there'll be different requirements to go along with that from a structural envelope and fire life safety perspective.
One of the most important things is to understand the perspective of the enforcing agencies. It's important to respect that and be able to see things from the point of view of those agencies and those individuals who are the stakeholders. They are the fire departments, the building departments. When you do that, you're more able to work with them on issues that are not straightforward.
For fire life safety, when we adapt and reuse a structure, we have to really look at the whole thing as a system, especially if we're going to change its use. The fire requirements, the life safety requirements for a multi-story office building are going to be different than for a department store or for a school. So you need to consider the use in mind, you need to bring the local fire department in to be able to sign off and confirm for safety.
And the fundamental challenge that you face is that when you undergo a change of use, the local and state regulations point you to what's called the regular code. So all of a sudden you're kicked from having to comply with archaic requirements, which a building was designed and built for, and you're kicked into this realm of having to meet the current codes, which can be cost prohibitive. So you need to apply creative solutions. They're determined together with other stakeholders, which may be the rest of the design team, but most importantly, for the type of work I do, it's the enforcing agency, the fire department and the building department. We did that on the lane, and one of the topics or areas that I contributed to were the development of what's called alternative means and methods, which were critical to our compliance path and then ultimately affecting the design path.